This is a complete full-stack CRUD application built with Python, Flask, and PostgreSQL, deployed on Docker using a volume for persistent data storage. This application runs using two images, which in turn have two containers, one for PostgreSQL and the other for the Python application. PostgreSQL runs on port 5431 on my PC and on port 5432 in Docker, which allows me to see the data on my PC that is stored in the Docker volume. The Python Flask application runs on port 5000 inside Docker. Now, let's verify that I can perform CRUD operations. Perfect. I've checked that it works completely.